Ahan.
Mama, I have a surprise for you.
What surprise?
It's a big one. It's a frame photo. You'll like it.
Oh wow. Who made it?
I made it by myself. I put these staplers and don't tell anyone to touch it.
Okay.
If you will touch the sticks, the stapler pin will remove and I'll fix it. Okay, this is a photo one. If you have a big photo, just put it like this. I don't have a stick and I made it with straws.
All right, I got it.
And the back is not covered with this and it's little bit broken from me.
Show me the paper. Is it glitter paper? Show me.
No, it's glitter.
Yeah, that's all I'm.
Touch it.
या इसने फोटो का फ्रेम बनाया, इसका फ्रेम बनाया है. इसके बीच में फोटो लगाएंगे हम. फोटो नहीं पड़ी हुई हमारे पास ना अभी कोई.
We have an old photo. Do you have old photos that you throw?
Let me check because I just woke up.
You
So
have photos in the hall.
yeah, can you go look for one and come back?
But we don't have. We can also put like this and like this.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, come on. Let me show you what is mommy's frames.
Okay,
She
let's
got
go.
it very expensively. I made it for mommy. This is a gift for mommy. Because my mommy's favorite, so I made a gift for mommy. Yeah. Which
Today you have no.
frame.
Yeah, I know, but we need another picture. We have some pictures there. Why did you throw your shoes on the floor, your bag on the floor? Why?
That was my daddy.
And you want to show this also, that you made this?
A boom.
You made a bomb. Show.
The fire will come from up.
Show me. Let me see. At least let me see it.
From inside, there is straw.
Oh, straw डाल के इसने कवर बना के बॉम्ब बनाया है अहान ने. This is very cute.
I covered with
कुछ ना
cellophane.
कुछ बनाते ही रहते हो आप. अच्छा लगता है. पर आप बहुत मैस नहीं करते हो घर को. अभी आपने कितना सामान इधर उधर फेंका हुआ है.
ये पापा ने
टिफिन बॉक्स.
अरे
देखो इधर. देखो. एक डिब्बा इधर है. एक आईडी इधर है. एक टिफिन बॉक्स इधर है. नो स्टॉप. वो देखो स्कूल बैग कहाँ है. ये देखो शूज कहाँ है.
पापा ने रखी है. ये देखो, ये पापा ने हटाया था.
तो आपका
फिर टैब रख दिया यहाँ पर.
आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं बनता सामान को जगह पे रखने का. किसका सामान है ये?
हम देखते हैं कितना फ्रेम में.
वो तो ठीक है.
Too big. हाँ, ये सेम.
ठीक है.
सेम.
देखो बात को कैसे पलट दिया.
सेम है.
हाँ ठीक है. अच्छी लग रही है.
पिक्चर उतारे और इस पर दिखाते.
ठीक है. लेट मी सी. Come, we'll see. We have some pictures. We have some pictures here. Maybe I kept some pictures here. Yeah, I do have some pictures. इसमें से एक लगा लेते हैं. आजा. Oops. Ahan, can you please put your shoes away? सुश्री मेरे पैरों में वो स्टिक हो रहे हैं. This is so bad. Next time, please put your things in place.
That was my daddy.
No,
Daddy did it.
I know.
I was sitting here.
But who's
My daddy removed the bag and it fell down. When my daddy threw the shoes on the floor and my daddy put the lunch box here and this one here and this one here. It was not my fault.
But you have to pick it and put it in place. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so we'll see one picture. I'll give you.
Frame range.
You want to put no. You can put this Jai one. You can put this Jai one.
It's so.
No, don't take that one because otherwise that will break. You take this one, no?
Good.
Put it down and show
We
me.
can put one.
Put it
two,
down
three.
here. Put it down here so we see. What are you doing?
Yeah, good. And this one, it cannot fit inside. How about this one?
I told you, na, take one picture. Or else you can put one and two. But they are same pictures, no?
Same?
Yeah.
Same concept.
This is in Golden Temple. Yeah, you can put that one, only one. Yeah, but you have to staple it carefully so you don't damage the picture.
Okay, stapler.
Bring it here. Bring it here. I'll tell you how to staple it.
I know.
Come back soon.
I know. I'm coming.
So these are some of the pictures I have.
Sure.
This was clicked in Brisbane with Koala. This is Amit and me. We went to Asha's. This is our friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
What happened?
This is a picture we took at Etihad headquarters. There was, I think, UAE National Day. This is the same picture. We made two, I guess. One for him, one for us. Yeah, this was clicked in Bhimtal. Wow, memories.
Here, like this.
This, yeah, you brought it?
Frame.
Yeah, it's over there. Show me how do you do it. All right. Okay. Just be careful.
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay, use the other one. Enough. Yeah, only on the side. Show me now. Wow, yaar, Ahan ne frame bana hi diya hai. That is so cute, beta. I am so thankful. Show me na. Show me properly. नहीं, but फिर भी यार बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. थैंक यू बेटे. पकड़ के खड़े हो एक मिनट अच्छे से. सीधे खड़े हो जाना, एक बार हिलो नहीं. मेरे को देखने दो ना पिक्चर अच्छे से. ये तो बहुत ही क्यूट लग रहा है हान. आपने बहुत अच्छे चॉइस से बनाया है. उसके वहाँ खड़ा कर दो स्टैंड पे. उसके साथ खड़ा कर दो उसको. यहाँ पे खड़ा कर दो इसको. बाद में ना इसको एक वो लगाएंगे, खड़ा कर देंगे इसको बाद में.
सॉरी मम्मा, बिकॉज मैंने फूल नहीं खाया था ना, तो फिर मैंने तुम सैड हो गए थे तो फिर मैंने गिफ्ट बना लिया. ये लो.
थैंक यू.
ये फ्रेम अच्छी है पर स्नेक भी बना सकता हूँ.
अच्छा चल वो भी बना ले. अभी कुछ ना कुछ बना के आएगा.
Not make sticks from the frame.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't have a brain.
No, you do have a brain, but maybe we don't have the things we need. But that's okay. We will buy some more stuff for you.
We need to do it like this, but when I do it like this, it will be like this.
It's okay because it's very lightweight. Okay, no problem at all. You know what I'll do? I'll do something like this. You see how I made these? I made these with ribbons. See? I also made this with ribbon. Look here. Yeah, I know. I made this one using a ribbon. Like a very thin ribbon. So I'll also do the same for you. I'll have a ribbon like this.
Want to make this?
This is our names, Ahan's and Mama's name in Arabic.
Oh,
you know that? This is in Arabic.
Wait. So, do you want this frame?
Yes, I do.
So, right now we need a rubber. Cut the rubber like this and put it like this and hang it.
That's what I said. Yeah, we'll hang it.
That will not be a good idea. Let me check first.
Oops.
No. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we can do that.
It's looking little bit not looking nice.
Not looking little bit nice. Why?
You can put it like this. Like this is going to be nice, but don't tell anyone about this. They will steal your picture and they will broke this. So Zaid भी broken कर देगा इसको, तो फिर मैं सेफ से कहाँ?
मेरे को एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारे पैरों में टायर लगे हुए हैं? कभी राइट भागते हो, कभी लेफ्ट भागते हो, एक जगह खड़े हो के बात करते हैं.
मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के बात करता हूँ.
या
ये फ्रेम अच्छी लग रही है ना?
बहुत अच्छी लग रही है हान. आई लव दिस फ्रेम.
अच्छे से बनाया है ना? अच्छे से,
बहुत अच्छे से बनाया है.
गलती से नहीं बनाया.
नहीं
बस ये बैग से ऐसे नहीं रखना है.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. आपने
इसके अंदर पानी नहीं कराना है, खराब हो जाएगी पिक्चर और ये भी खराब हो जाएगा.
आज शाम को पापा आएंगे, पापा को हम दिखाएंगे, पापा बहुत हैप्पी हो जाएंगे. और ये वीडियो मैं दादी को भी भेजूंगी, दादी भी बहुत खुश हो जाएगी. दादी भी और दादू भी.
हाँ, वीडियो बना
तो रहे हैं ऑलरेडी.
फिर से करते हैं.
नहीं यही वाली कंटिन्यू करेंगे. बोलो क्या बोलना है तुमने. फिर तुम राइट लेफ्ट भाग रहे हो. मैंने कहा एक जगह खड़े होके बात करो.
यहाँ पर बैठ जाओ.
या यू रन लाइक राइट एंड लेफ्ट एंड राइट एंड लेफ्ट एंड. ऐसे क्यों?
सॉन्ग है ये, सॉन्ग है.
बेटे क्लास भी आज आपकी.
मम्मा, दिस इज अ न्यू फ्रेम फॉर यू.
थैंक यू. गिव इट टू मी. बहुत अच्छा बनाया अभी. बहुत अच्छा फ्रेम बनाया हान ने. बहुत क्रिएटिव लड़का है हमारा ये.
चलो, पता है एवरीथिंग बॉक्स से भी मेरे को एवरीथिंग बनाता है. दैट्स व्हाई मैं बोलता हूँ और बॉक्स लो, मैं कुछ बनाता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए.
चलो अब ये जब आप थोड़े से और बड़े हो जाओगे तो इस चैनल के ऊपर ना आप सिखाना सबको कि कैसे बनाते हैं ये सब.
ओके, लेट मी शो यू हाउ टू मेक इट.
Not now. I'm done. No, I can't. No, I just woke up. No, I am very busy right now. I can't hold the phone for you. No.
I can hold it.
No, it's okay. We'll do it later. No, not now. Goodbye.
Not right now. Let's go show you. See,
Again you are running right and left and right and left and... What is this?
Stop. Let me talk for you. See, I take this glitter paper, and I take 1, 2, 3, 4 straws out, and I staple it here, and here. And then I made a frame, and then I take the frame out and I put it here and I stamp it. Do you know this staplers have these, and we can stamp also like this.
Yeah. I learned something new from you, Ahan, because I didn't know that. So anyway, have a great day. Thank you for making nice frame for me, Ahan. Show it one last time.
I have an idea.
Show me one last time the frame. Show me. Thank you, Ahan, for a nice gift. I love you so much.
I have an idea.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hope you subscribe and don't forget to click the bell and watch my videos every day and copy like this from me. I'll teach you. Okay, so I'll teach you the next day. Okay, goodbye. I'm also having a holiday next day. I don't have school.
Oh, wow. Okay, so tomorrow you make more videos. Bye.
We'll make more videos and watch our videos every day. And watch also Mamta's Sachdeva's video, and I don't want to be like down.
Okay.
So please